Welcome. Today we'll be discussing how to use Google Forms for online surveys. Google Form questionnaires are one of the methods to conduct questionnaire surveys. You can type the Google Forms link in your address bar, or else you can sign into your Gmail. Thereafter, you can proceed to this Google Apps icon. Once you click that, you will be getting these icons and you can select forms. Here, these Google Forms can be used not only for questionnaire surveys but for several other aspects such as quizzes, course evaluations, contact information gathering, invitation for parties, and etc. And there are different templates as well. In this page, once you click here, you will be getting numerous templates for professional work or educational purposes. There are different formats. However, we will be using blank form and we'll be having questionnaire form from the scratch. Here in this form, you can have a title. For the Google questionnaire form, then you can go to the left top corner, and once you click this one, you can select Google Drive and you can save it to one of the existing folders, or you can create a new one and you can save. That could be done. Thereafter, you can change these fonts and everything. Here I will be going to one of the already completed questionnaire survey form using Google Forms. Here you can add the name of the questionnaire. Say if you are having a questionnaire survey for management or in relation to banking, education or any other field, you just describe that one and you can have a particular description regarding to your survey here. And once you visit here this customize theme option, thereafter you can select whatever the title and you can change the fonts and font size as well. And for other question sizes and their fonts could also be changed by selecting particular thing. And you can change the questionnaire color and you can change the background color as well by selecting these items. And when you go to preview icon, you can see how the respondents will see your questionnaire. And when you make a mistake, you can visit here and you can undo and you can eliminate that one. For redo also you can visit next one. And you can click that 3 vertical dots and there are some other options here. If you want to have a copy, you can click this one, and if you want to delete the existing questionnaire, you can proceed with this option. And if you want to get the link for your existing questionnaire, you can get it by selecting this one. Whereas for printing purposes, you can visit here and say if you are having several authors for your research study, and say if you are the first author and there will be another 2 additional authors, Then of course you can add collaborators by entering their email addresses in this way. You can select the second author and you can send an invitation. By selecting add collaborators. For entering this questionnaire item on a website, you can select this one, and for add-on purposes you can select here, and related to shortcuts using your keyboard you can click here and see what are the shortcuts available. Once you complete the questionnaire, you can forward it using the send button. Next video we will be discussing what are the particular questions that you can enter using Google Questionnaire or Google Forms. There are different types of questionnaires and we will be discussing those types of questionnaires one by one using the next or the subsequent video. Once you complete all this questionnaire item formulating, you can select this send button and you can send it by way of a mail or else via a link, or else you can forward it using the Facebook or Twitter link, and as well as using an email. If you are using, just type the email address, or you can cut and paste here and you can invite with a message. There are certain things that you can do while formulating your questionnaire, that you can change the fonts and all those things, and here you can select different options. At the topmost portion you will be seeing that plus mark. By pressing that you can add questions, you can add some questions, or if you want to delete, you just go to the bottom and you can press delete. Next option is import questions. If you have any previous Google Forms document, you can import question from that. Here these are for the purpose of adding titles, and here you can add particular image using your PC, what is the available image, or else you can select it from any other source. Here we have already added such a image, and here by selecting add video option you can add a video. You can add existing YouTube video, or else you can just type the video link and it will be appearing. This option makes you available addition of sections, such as section 1 you can have that introduction part, and in the section 2 you can have all the questions. So likewise, this is an introduction. Next step we will be discussing particular question that you can enter in Google Forms questionnaire method. With that we will be concluding. Thank you for watching.